Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing well. Welcome back Murahar Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain continued differentiability problems part 3. So today's subtopic is parametric differentiation. Okay, now explain question number 1. XY values are given. We have to find dy by dx. How can solve this problem? Our target is dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to derivative of y function given 3at square by 1 plus t square, and derivative of x function 3at by 1 plus t square. Okay. So in this 3a get constant, 3a constant get cancelled. So by we should apply u by v formula. So what is u by v formula? v into differentiation of u. So differentiation of t square 2t minus t square into differentiation of 1 plus t square 2t. Okay, this whole divided by v square 1 plus t square whole square. This whole divided by the denominator also by using u by v formula, v into 1 plus t square into differentiation of t1 minus t times of differentiation of 1 plus t square 2t. This whole divided by 1 plus t square whole square. So 1 plus t square whole square get cancelled. In numerator 2t take out common, 1 plus t square minus t square, this whole divided by this value 1 plus t square minus 2t square, this is minus t square. Okay, and this t square get cancelled. So answer will be 2t by 1 minus t square. 2t by 1 minus t square. Let us go to the next problem. XY values are given. Then find out d square y by dx square. First, we have to find dy by dx. Okay, so dy by dx. So derivative of y function given t power 10 plus 1 by derivative of x value t power 8 plus 1. This will be, so t to the power 10. This derivative 10 into t power 9. So differentiation of 1 0. So with respect to t, okay, in denominator also same, 8 t power 7. 2 4 j 2 5 j cancel, 1 t to the power 7 cancel. 5 by 4 into t square. What is this? dy by dx value. So again, therefore dy by dx, we got it 5 by 4 t square. Again differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Because our target is d square y by dx square. So dy by dx, differentiation of dy by dx with respect to x, this is nothing but d square y by dx square. 5 by 4 constant, differentiation of t square 2t, but differentiation of t with respect to x into dt by dx. So this is the most important. So 2 1 j 2 2 j get cancelled. This is 5 by 2 into t. So dt by dx. First we have to find dt by dx. So what is x given? T power 8 plus 1. So dx by dt equal to 8 into t power 7. So derivative on both sides with respect to t. So dx by dt value, we got it 8 t power 7. So dt by dx means the reciprocal of dx by dt. This value will be 8 by 8 t power 7 by 1. The reciprocal of this value is 1 by 8 t power 7. Okay, our target is dt by dx. We have dx by dt value. So 1 t get cancelled, 5 by 2 8 is 16 t power 6. Okay, this is the answer. Let us go to the next problem. In the statement xy values are given. Both are function and theta given. Then we have to find dy by dx. In this parameter theta. Okay. So dy by dx is required. Derivative of y. Y value right, b cos 2 theta into 1 minus cos 2 theta. By, so derivative of x, a sin 2 theta into 1 plus cos 2 theta. Okay. So in this b constant, derivative of this cos 2 theta multiply with 1 minus cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta into 1 cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta into cos 2 theta cos square 2 theta. This whole divided by a times of derivative of same sin 2 theta multiply with 1 plus cos 2 theta. Sin 2 theta plus sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta. Okay. Now this value b times of the derivative of cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta into derivative of 2 theta is 2. Okay, with respect to theta minus derivative of cos square 2 theta. This will be 2 cos 2 theta, but derivative of cos minus sin 2 theta into derivative of 2 theta is 2. Derivative of theta is 2 theta is 2. Okay, this whole divided by a times of derivative of sin 2 theta cos 2 theta into 2. So 1 2 divide and multiply. Okay. So 1 by 2 constant, 2 sin 2 theta cos 2 theta. This will be sin 4 theta. Sin 4 theta. 2 sin 2 theta cos 2 theta. This will be sin 4 theta. So derivative of sin 4 theta cos 4 theta by cos 4 theta into 4. Derivative of sin 4 theta cos 4 theta, but derivative of 4 theta is 4. Okay. Okay, this continuation 2 1 j 2 2 j get cancelled. Okay, b times of in this one 2 take out common, 2b into okay minus into minus plus 2 cos 2 theta sin 2 theta. 2 cos 2 theta sin 2 theta, this will be sin 4 theta minus sin 2 theta. Okay, this whole divided by and denominator a times of okay in this one 2 take out common. Okay, 2 take out common. So 2a times of this value will be cos 2 theta plus cos 4 theta. In this 2 get cancelled, b by a into we have sin c minus sin d formula. Sin c minus sin d. This formula is 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. We should applying that formula and denominator cos c plus cos d. We have formula 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Okay. So sin c minus sin d formula 2 cos c plus d by 2. 4 theta plus 2 theta by 2. Okay, 6 theta by 2 means 3 theta. Sin 4 theta minus c minus d by 2. 4 theta minus 2 theta by 2. Okay, 2 theta by 2 is theta. This whole divided by c plus c. Cos c plus cos d. This formula is 2cc, 2 cos. This coding is c plus c is equal to 2cc. S minus s equal to cs. Okay. 2 cos. The sum of angles by 2. The sum of angles by 2. 2 theta plus 4 theta by 2. This will be 3 theta. Cos. The difference of angles. 2 theta minus 4 theta minus 2 theta by 2 minus theta. Okay. In this 2 cos 3 theta get cancelled. We have cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Okay. So this is b by a into sin theta by cos of minus theta value cos theta. So this b by a into sin by cos tan theta. This is the answer. What is the answer? B by a into tan theta. Okay, let us go to the next problem. So xy values are given. Then we have to find d square y by dx square at t equal to pi by 2. Okay. In this t is parameter. First, we have to find dy by dx. So derivative of y given 2 cos t minus cos 2t by derivative of x 2 sin t minus sin 2t. Okay. In this 2 constant, differentiation of cos t minus sin t, differentiation of cos 2t minus sin 2t into 2. differentiation of 2t is 2 with respect to t. This whole divided by 2 into derivative of sin t cos t, derivative of sin 2t cos 2t into differentiation of 2t is 2. Okay. In numerator 1 2 take out common, minus into minus plus, sin 2t minus sin t by denominator also 1 2 take out common, cos t minus cos 2t. Okay. So by using sin c minus sin d formula, sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2. What is sin c minus sin d? 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Okay. In denominator we should apply cos c minus cos d. Cos c minus cos d equal to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Okay. Right. As sin c minus sin d formula, 2 cos sum of angles by 2 3t by 2, 2t plus t by 2, and sin the difference of angles by 2 t by 2. This whole divided by, so cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin the sum of angles by 2 3t by 2, and the difference of angles by 2 minus t by 2. Okay. So in this 2 get cancelled. So minus of minus, this minus of minus will be plus. So sin t by 2 get cancelled. Okay. Cos by sin cot 3 by 2 into sin t by 2. This whole divided by this minus into minus plus. So this will be sin t by 2. Sin t by 2 get cancelled. So dy by dx. So dy by dx value we got it cot 3t by 2. Okay. So dy by dx value we got it cot 3t by 2. But our target is d square y by dx square. So again differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Okay. So d square y by dx square. So derivative of dy by dx with respect to x, d square y by dx square. This will be differentiation of cot minus cosecant square 3t by 2 into differentiation of 3t by 2. 3 by 2 constant, differentiation of t with respect to x. So differentiation of 3t by 2, 3 by 2 constant. So t with respect to x is into dt by dx. So this is the most important. Okay. So minus 3 by 2 cosecant square 3t by 2. So dt by dx value. So what is x given? X is equal to 2 sin t minus x value, 2 sin t minus sin 2t. Okay. First we have to find dx by dt value. So now differentiation with respect to t on both sides, 2 constant, differentiation of sin t cos t, differentiation of sin 2t, cos 2t into 2. So 2 cos 2t. So what is this? Dx by dt. So dt by dx is our target, the reciprocal of dx by dt. Okay. This reciprocal is 1 by 2 cos t minus 2 cos 2t. Okay. This is d square y by dx square. But our target is d square y by dx square at t is equal to pi by 2. At t is equal to pi by 2. So this value will be minus 3 by 2 times of cosecant square 3 into, where t placing right pi by 2, 3 into pi by 2 by 2, 1 by 2 cos 90 minus 2 cos 2t means 180. Okay, where t placing right 90, 2 into 90, 180. Okay, minus 3 by 2. Cos, this is 3 pi by, cosecant 3 pi by 4. Cosecant 3 pi by 4 value root 2. Cosecant 3 pi by 4. Cosecant 135. Cosecant 180 minus 45. So cosecant 45 root 2 this is. So root 2 whole square into cos 90 0, 0 minus 2 times of cos 180 minus 1. Okay, this 2 get cancelled. Minus 3 by 2 times of 2 into minus plus 1 by 2. 1 2 get cancelled. Answer is minus 3 by 2. Correct answer. Minus 3 by 2. Okay, let us go to the next problem. So where x and y values are given in terms of t, then we have to find dy by dx. Okay, easy method. Now explain. So by using component dividend formula. What is the component dividend formula? A by b is equal to c by d. Then formula is a plus b by a minus b equal to c plus d by c minus d. Okay, right? This is x by 1 value. So 1 by x value, root 1 plus t square by root 1 minus t square. Okay, so by using that formula, so we should applying this formula. 1 plus x by 1 minus x is equal to a by b. This is compared with a by b is equal to c by d. A by b is equal to c by d. What is the formula? A plus b. 1 plus x by 1 minus x. This will be c plus d, where c value root 1 plus t square and d value root 1 minus t square. C plus d by c minus d. Okay. Therefore 1 plus x by 1 minus x. This will be, so this is nothing but, so let us observe what is given. Root 1 plus t square minus root 1 minus t square by root 1 plus t square plus root 1 minus t square. In this, what is we got it? The reciprocal of y. This is the reciprocal of y. So 1 by y, right? Therefore y is equal to cross product. Y is equal to 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Okay, now applying derivative on both sides with respect to x. Therefore dy by dx. So differentiation of y with respect to x, dy by dx equal to, so by using u by v formula. What is the u by v formula? V into differentiation of u, derivative of 1 minus x, differentiation of 1 0, differentiation of minus x minus 1. V u dash minus u v dash by v square. So this will be minus 1 minus x. Okay, this minus 1 minus x and minus 1 plus x. This whole by 1 plus x whole square. In this minus x plus x get cancelled. Okay, so minus 2 by 1 plus x whole square. This is the final answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. So t is equal to sine inverse of 2 power s given. Then we have to find ds by dt. Okay, from this equation, 2 power s is equal to sine t. Sine t is equal to 2 to the power s. But our target, differentiation of s with respect to t. So now applying derivative with respect to t on both sides. So differentiation of sine t. Differentiation of sine t, we got it cos t. So differentiation of t with respect to t 1. Differentiation of 2 to the power s. D by dt of 2 power s. This will be, this value will be 2 power s. We have differentiation of a to the power x. A power x into log a. Okay. The differentiation of 2 power s. This is 2 power s into log 2. But differentiation of s with respect to t into ds by dt. Differentiation of s with respect to t into ds by dt by using chain rule. Okay, cos t is equal to, so 2 power s, this 2 power s value, we got it, 2 power s value sin t. From statement this is given. So 2 power expression we should write sin t log 2 ds by dt. But our target is only ds by dt. Okay, these two terms bring the left side. Cos t by sin t into log 2 is equal to ds by dt. Okay, cos t by sin t. We have cot t. Cot t by, okay, that implies ds by dt equal to, so cos by sin cot t by log 2. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. So xy values are given. We have to find dy by dx. Okay, easy method. We should multiply x and y. So xy equal to under root 2 power cosecant inverse t into under root 2 power secant inverse t. Okay, so xy equal to under root a power m into a power n, a power m plus n. So 2 to the power cosecant inverse t plus sin inverse, secant inverse t, secant inverse t. We have cosecant inverse t plus secant inverse t formula pi by 2. This is equal to 2 power pi by 2. Okay, secant inverse t plus cosecant inverse t, this value pi by 2. From inverse trigonometric functions, this formula is pi by 2. So xy is equal to 2 power pi by 2. We got it, this value. So now applying derivative on both sides. The differentiation of xy by using uv formula. So d by dx of xy equal to d by dx of under root 2 power pi by 2. Okay, 2 constant, pi by 2 constant, this total function constant derivative 0. So by using uv method, u into x into derivative of y plus y into derivative of x, this will be 0. So dx get cancelled. X dy by dx equal to plus y, bring the right side, minus y, but our target is dy by dx. Therefore dy by dx equal to minus y by x. So minus y by x, correct answer. Let us go to the next problem where xy values are given. We have to find dy by dx. Okay, so in this statement, easy method, direct multiply x and y. So x and y is equal to under root a to the power sin inverse t into root under a to the power cos inverse t. Okay, so xy is equal to root under, if bases equal, powers are added. So a to the power sin inverse t plus cos inverse t. So we know that this formula, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2, where x belongs to minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is also pi by 2, where x belongs to any real number. Next, secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x. This value will be pi by 2. Pi by 2. So where modulus of x greater than or equal to 1. Okay. Now xy equal to under root a to the power sin inverse t plus cos inverse t value pi by 2. So this is constant. Now applying derivative on both sides. So differentiation of uv. Differentiation of xy equal to, this is the constant. Constant derivative will be 0. So according to uv formula, x into dy by dx plus y into d by dx of x, this will be 0. dx get cancelled. Therefore x dy by dx, this plus y, bring the right side, minus y. Therefore dy by dx value, we have minus y by x. So dy by dx value minus y by x. So minus y by x, correct answer. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. The remaining problems I will explain on next class.